Follow the teacher and draw the cat heads on the paper. We will draw 3 little cats, each of different sizes: large, medium, and small. First, for the cat heads, draw a large circle for the first cat, then a medium circle for the second, and finally a small circle for the third. Now complete the cat's facial features. Draw a triangle pointing downward for the noses. Connect the mouths to the noses, and draw round dots for the eyes. On each cheek, draw a small heart. This completes the expressions of the cats. Next, draw the cat's ears. Use 2 triangles for each ear, a smaller triangle inside a larger one. Using the same method, complete the expressions and ears for the second and third cats. Once the ears are done, add the whiskers to the cats. 3 whiskers on the left, and 3 on the right, for each of the 3 cats. After the whiskers are done, draw the bodies of the cats. The bodies should be long. Then add their tails. Draw the tails in a spiral shape. Using the same method, draw the bodies and tails for the second and third cats. Now our 3 cats in a row are complete. Next, we move on to coloring. Take a pink marker and color the first cat's ears, cheeks, and shade the body and cheeks. Use a darker pink to color the outer triangles of the ears. Then color the nose. For the second cat, use a yellow marker to color the ears, cheeks, and body shadows. Use a wine red marker to color the outer triangles of the ears and the nose. For the third cat, use a blue marker to color the ears, cheeks, and body shadows. Use a dark blue marker to color the outer triangles of the ears and the nose. Next, use the same color markers as the bodies of each cat to draw the stripes on their bodies. The first cat is pink, the second cat is yellow, the third cat is blue. Finally, use a silver yellow marker to fill the blank spaces with spiral patterns, making the entire drawing fuller and more lively. Once the filling is complete, the drawing is done. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.